Welcome to this Preg-Active mama and baby routine. This is a short routine that you can do with your baby, and I'm going to talk you through ways in which you can adapt as to how you're going with your baby and what's happening for them and what's happening for you as we go through the routine. A beautiful stretch, some core strengthening, some nice release through your shoulders. It will all feel really good. Hi, I'm Karen, the founder of Preg-Active. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to our Preg-Active YouTube channel, and drop me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Now, this baby is not my real baby. This is a doll, and I need to say that because this baby's not going to make any noise. Your baby may well be making noise as we go through this routine, and that is completely normal. So come with me now if your baby is feeling okay to be down on the ground. Have something soft under them, and that's going to help you and them to be a lot more comfortable. And as we sit here, it's nice to change the sitting position. This is even when you are just being with them. So try to have one leg long and the other leg tucked in. So we'll just be facing them, and we'll just take a nice deep breath in and then out, and we come a little bit closer to them. And then breathing in, away, sit tall, and exhale, coming in close. Give them a little smile, give them a little pat, give them some love. Again, breath in and down. And from here, keep the legs as they are, just rotate a little. You'll reach this top hand up, keep your other hand with Bubba, and stretch up and over, and then release, and then you can stretch the other hand over. This is a nice one. You can actually have a little toy, and you can hold the toy and dangle it for them if they like that, and release. Last one, up and over, hello, and stretch back. So we're doing that all again with the other leg. So we just swap the legs over, keep Bub where they are, and we do the same thing. So we just sit nice and tall, breath in, exhale, and we come closer. Two more like this, big breath in, exhale, and coming closer. Hello. Breath in and exhale. And release. Now slightly turn so that you're facing the side. One hand on Bubba, other hand reaches up and over. Hello. Give your fingers a little wave to them. Reach up and stretch away. Again, up and over. Hello. And release. And last one, up and over. And release. All right, from here we are moving on to all fours. We're coming over Bub so that your face is directly over their face. And we look at them, give them a smile, then we look up to the sky, breathe in. And then as you exhale, round your spine, tuck your tail. Now this is where they might want to grab a hold of your hair. Just watch out for that. Breathe, look up. And exhale. If they are, then maybe just go for a child's pose if that feels better for you. Now breathe and open, look up. Exhale, round. And then breathe and look open. And exhale and round. Coming back just to your normal all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, shoulders are back and down. Give them all the goo-goo-goo-goos and the hello-hellos. Now, lengthen through your spine. Take a breath in. As you exhale, think pelvic floor lifts, belly engages gently back, slide one leg behind you. Breathe in, release. Exhale, other side. And breathe in, release. Stay with that level or add as you exhale, lengthen and lift the leg. And breathe in, release. Exhale, lengthen and lift. And breathe in, release. Stay with that or add the opposite arm. Breathe in to lower the hand and the leg. Exhale to lengthen away. So this is a beautiful exercise that you can do every single day with your baby. It's so good for your back. It activates through your glutes and it's good for your core. It's so good for your entire posture. And it's a fun way to play with them. They love this stuff. Exhale. They might even want to be doing some tummy time now too. This is a really good time for them to be, depending on where they're at in terms of their age. Good. All right, do one more each side. Last one. Perfect. And then from here, you just move your hips from side to side. Like you're dancing. Perfect. All right, from here, we're going to pick up, bub. So pick them up. Hello. Hello. We're going to do some kneeling squats. So tuck your toes under and we just drop back and then up. Now, this is a good one if they don't want to be lifted at the moment, that you can do this and be close to them, be down near the ground to them. If they are on the ground, this is where you can have a little toy and dangle it and then come back up. Good. And then we'll add in a challenge. So you just drop to one heel, come back up and drop the other heel. So you're going from side to side here now. So you go down one side, come up and down the other side. Breath in, exhale. And when you come up, you want to engage pelvic floor and your deep abdominals. Good. All right, from here, we are now coming up through to standing. So one foot out, tuck the back toe, engage and lift, shake it out. All right, from here, just some sways from side to side. Babies love this anyway, but it's good for your hips and your back. All right, nice wide squat. We go down and up. Good. So I'll have this all detailed down below for you so that you can take note and have a better understanding so that when the time is right for you, if right now Bub doesn't want to do this, then this is something you could mix in bits and pieces. Good. Two more. And just hold down and pulsing for 5, for 4, for 3, 2, and 1. Release. Nice work. Shake that out. Okay, so the next move is a around the clock. So you'll just step 1 foot forward and then in that same foot steps to the side and then you step it behind you. Just be mindful of anything that might be behind you. The other foot steps behind you. You step it out to the side and then you step it in front. So we're going round in a circle. Now you step again in a little lunge, a little squat, a little lunge. Other foot, back, side. There we go. All right, and then we go again, out. So the bigger you go with this, the harder it is. So the wider you go with your foot, the deeper you go with your lunge or your squat. Good. Just think about drawing a big circle around, getting that rhythm. Other foot, out. Good. Feels like a little bit of cardio at the same time. All right, we have one more full round. You can do this. Nice. Perfect. And release. And just move those hips from side to side. All right. How is everybody doing? Good. Shake it out. All right. We're just sending one foot back behind you. So we just work with a lift and a lift. So this is balance work. It's glute work. It's core and posture. Have this standing knee slightly bent as you work with a squeeze and lift. All right. Another 3, 2, and 1. Release, shake it out. Other side. Same thing. Find your balance. Notice that one side might be harder than the other side. Now I'm holding my baby like this, but you can hold your baby however works for you, okay? However they like it, however you like it. All right, we've got another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release, shake it all out. Get into some hip sways, side to side. Nice. We're heading back down. Finish off seated. All right, now have that cushion, blanket, whatever bub was laying on, they might want to lie on it again. If they don't, you can hold baby. So baby will either be out in front of you, to the side of you, or you can hold them. Okay, so big breath here. And exhale, drop one ear to the side. Breathe. And back up. And out. Good. Come back up. Drop your chin down towards your chest. And just rock your head from side to side. Finding stillness, float your head back up. Roll your shoulders if you can. Let it go. 2 more. Big breath. Let it go. Last one. Big breath. Let it go. And well done. That is your workout complete for today. If you like that, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment below. I would love to know, how did you go? How did your baby go with that? And you'll find more just like this over at pregactive.com.